Chon Teng Precision Co Limited, CTT, is an expert of precision parts manufacturing and integrated services. We have years of experience in processing and manufacturing parts, creating manufacturing capable of integrating materials, manufacturing and processing products, and doing service treatment and inspections. We tailor our products based on our customers' needs and the product characteristics to create unlimited value for our customers. Chon Teng Precision Co Limited is a manufacturer that received international quality certification. We provide OEM parts that include aerospace parts, medical device parts, motorcycle parts, e-bike parts, bicycle lamps and exterior parts, automobile parts, modified parts, microwave communication equipment parts, automated parts, optical parts, construction hardware, bathroom hardware, electronic parts, semiconductor parts, and textile parts, using our high-quality manufacturing capability. Based on the product characteristics, Chon Teng Precision Co Limited offers professional manufacturing process design and engineering services, and also develops manufacturing and assembly services. By integrating supply chains, we offer a one-stop solution to satisfy all our customers' needs for processing various parts and offer them high-quality integrated services. Chon Teng Precision Co Limited introduced professional CNC milling machines made in Japan and Germany and is capable of manufacturing metal and non-metal, such as resin parts and precision parts. CTT specializes in manufacturing parts used in high-tech industries that include bicycle parts, e-bike parts, motorcycle parts, and automobile parts. The manufacturing process and integrated skills designed by its professional team offer customers stable precision processing. In the future, CTT will continue to offer stable precision engineering services to our customers all over the world, helping them create their unique patented products and satisfying their various needs for processing parts. CTT not only offers raw materials and manufacturing processes, but also provides CNC processing and product assembly, a one-stop service to perfectly present special complicated technology to the world. The high-quality products we manufacture may ride on the global sailboat to leave Asia and head for the world.